Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create custom tabs in Salesforce. So let's proceed by understanding what is custom tabs in Salesforce. Custom tabs in Salesforce are user interface elements that provide quick access to the custom objects, web pages, Visual Force pages, or Lightning components within the Salesforce environment. These tabs can be customized to meet the specific needs of an organization and allowing users to navigate and interact with data and application more efficiently. Now move ahead. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. Here we want to learn how to create custom tabs in Salesforce Lightning. So for this click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option and our setup page is open, and under this page we can see on the left side there is a quick find box present, and here we enter the tabs in the quick find box, and there is a tab present under the user interface. So click on these tabs. Our tabs page is open and you can create new custom tab to extend Salesforce functionality or to build a new application functionality. Here you can see the one custom tab is already created, and you can also create a web tab, Visual Force tab, Lightning component tab, and Lightning app page tabs. The custom object tabs look and behave like the standard tabs provided in the Salesforce. Web tabs allow you to embed external web applications and content within the Salesforce window, and the Visual Force tab allow you to embed Visual Force pages, and the Lightning component tabs allow you to add Lightning components to the navigation menu in Lightning Experience and the mobile app, and the Lightning page tabs allow you to add the Lightning pages to Lightning Experience and the mobile app. But here we want to create only the custom tab, so we click on the new button. Now enter the details. Choose the custom object for this new custom tab. So firstly we choose the object, and here we are choosing the subject object, and then search the tab style. Click on the lookup icon. Our lookup window is pop up, and here you can choose any of the tab style, and here we are choosing books tab style, and then scroll down, and you can also fill a short description here, and it is the optional field, and we hit the next button. Now we move to our next step, that is choose the user profiles from which the new custom tab will be available. You may also examine or alter the visibility of tabs from the details and added pages of each profiles. Here two options are present. Apply one tab visibility to all the profiles, that is already by default set to the default on, and the next one apply a different tab visibility for each profile. So here first we choose the apply one tab visibility to all profile, and we click on the drop down arrow, and under this drop down list we can see three options are present. Default on, this means it will be available on the navigation bar, and then if we select the default off, this means this tab will be not available on the navigation bar. And if we click on the tab hidden, this tab hidden tab will not be accessible at all. Or if we set this to apply a different tab visibility for each profile, and you can choose any of the profile, that is default on and default off. But this time we choose apply one tab visibility to all profile and set this tab visibility to default on, and then scroll down and hit the next button. Now add to custom apps. Choose the custom apps for which the new custom tab will be available. You can also examine or alter the visibility of the tabs from the detail and added pages of each custom app. Firstly, we uncheck this include tab option, and I am just want to place this tab on the service application only, and then scroll down and hit the save button. So you can see our tab is created. If you want to add it or delete, you can choose these action to add it or delete this tab. And now we can open the service app so we can view whether subject tab is available or not. So we click on the app launcher and then click on the service app, and here you can see our subject tab is available here on the navigation bar. Now click on this subject tab, and under this you can see our subject record page is open, and in this list we can see subject number is only field that we are creating while creating the object. So when we click on the new button, it only show only single field, that is a subject number, which is a auto number field, which will be generated automatically. No other field will be available here because we did not create any of the field while creating the object. So with this, we have learned how to create custom tabs in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.